Imagine yourself in this 1999 Lexus LX 474 X4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power rack and pinion steering, power tilt and telescopic steering column, auxiliary power point outlets, rear window defroster with timer, automatic climate control system, electrochromic day-night interior mirror, and daytime running lights. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.